Buying your first home is one of the most exciting milestones in life, but for many people, it also becomes one of the most expensive mistakes they'll ever make. Not because they choose the wrong house, but because they didn't understand the process before they started. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what first-time buyers really need to know before signing anything. Most first-time buyers think the hardest part is getting approved for a home loan. In reality, the biggest challenge is lack of information. Many buyers rush into the market emotionally. They see a beautiful kitchen, a great view, or imagine their future life in the home, and everything else fades into the background. But property is not just an emotional decision, it's a long-term financial commitment, and understanding that from the beginning changes everything. Here's one of the biggest misconceptions. Your approved bond amount is not your budget. Beyond the purchase price, there are additional costs, things like transfer duties, bond registration fees, attorney costs, moving expenses, monthly rates and levies, maintenance and insurance. These costs can easily add up to tens or even hundreds of thousands. A smart first-time buyer plans for ownership, not just approval. Never start viewing homes without bond pre-approval. Pre-approval does three powerful things. 1. It tells you exactly what you can afford. 2. It strengthens your negotiation position. 3. It prevents emotional disappointment. Sellers and agents take pre-approved buyers seriously. It shows commitment and readiness. This single step can save you months of frustration. You can renovate the house, you can change the kitchen, the flooring, even the layout, but you cannot change location. Before falling in love with a home, ask, is this area growing? How far is it from work, schools and transport? Would I still be happier in 5 or 10 years? Smart buyers buy for long-term suitability, not short-term excitement. Let's talk about mistakes that cost people dearly. Buying at the top of their budget, ignoring monthly levies and rates, skipping professional inspections, rushing because of fear of missing out. Property rewards patience and preparation. Rushed decisions almost always lead to regret. Buying your first home doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right preparation, it can be one of the best decisions you'll ever make. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more clear, simple property explanations and watch the next video where we break down renting versus buying and which actually makes sense for you.